As with any other skill, you must stretch. It is also very important to stretch out your middle split because it will make aerials more easy to do. One skill you need to have is your cartwheel. You should also have a one-handed cartwheel with both of your hands. To prep for your aerial, start with your hips facing forwards, and then as you do your cartwheel, land facing backwards. Do this instead of landing to the front. Now it's time to work on cartwheel pickups. When doing a cartwheel pickup, you pick up your hands towards the end of your cartwheel. Cartwheel pickups are easier if you whip your legs around faster. Whipping your legs around faster is something you need to do in your aerial. You can also do a dive cartwheel. In a dive cartwheel, you do not place your hands down in the beginning of the cartwheel, but place them down after. To help you get your aerial, you can also do a cartwheel pop, which is a combination of a dive cartwheel and a cartwheel pickup. Now try doing a hop before your cartwheel pop to go around faster. Now I am going to show you the prep for an aerial. First, place your arms out like an airplane and put your bad leg in front. For example, I'm a righty, so I will put my left leg in front. Then do a small hop and change your feet. Now with all your force, you want to push yourself into a needle. From here, you would do your aerial. To help you put power into the most important part of your prep, try doing this exercise. When you think you are ready, you could try practicing your aerial. Before doing your aerial full out, you should try doing it from a raised platform or some type of hill. Don't worry if you're having trouble getting your aerial. Sometimes it can take a long time to get it. As long as you keep practicing, you should be able to get it soon. Just in case, I would put pillows down by the area you will land in. Also, make sure you are taking breaks. Aerials require a lot of energy. Really, the only way you can get your aerial is if you keep practicing. Once you think you are ready to try out your aerial, you could then try to do your aerial on some type of mat or on the floor.